friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Aerocool Cipher mid-tower PC case. So friend, Aerocool has unveiled its Cipher mid-tower PC case which supports up to 12 3.5-inch hard drives, and friend, along with the 3.5-inch shadow base into 3, the 2.5-inch shadow bay into 2 or 3.5-inch shadow bay into 1 on the bottom surround, the 2.5-inch shadow bay into 2 behind the motherboard tray, and the removable HDD case on the front part. Up to 12 3.5-inch HDDs and 2.5-inch HDD into 3 can be installed seamlessly and are excellent for storage serves and storage base, meaning personal computers such as the Shia. And friend, the front panel is nearly all matched. The cooling fan is 120 or 140 mm into 3, the top 120 mm into 3 or 140 mm into 2, and the rear 120 mm into 1, and the water cooling radiator is 360 or 280 mm front, 360 or 280 mm top, and the rear supports up to 120 mm, and front there are 7 expansion slots and vertical expansion slot is included as standard equipment. And front, the effective height for the CPU cooler is 160 mm, and the depth for the power supply unit is 229 mm, and height for the graphics card is 290 mm, and height for the graphics card is 400 mm, and HDD wedge is removed, and thus it also be used as a case for high-end gaming PCs. And friend, the IO ports include USB 3.0 into 1, USB 2.0 into 2, high definition audio terminal, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX form factor are all types supported. And when external measurements are 205 mm in width, 485 mm in depth, and 485 mm in height. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.